How to satisfy management when they're always following that latest buzzword. I'm Amanda Zimmerman. I am a continuous improvement mentor, and I'm working to make Lean Six Sigma possible, practical, and easy, no matter what your industry, no matter where you are in the world. So today, let's talk about management. Right? Management often brings in continuous improvement or Lean Six Sigma. They bring it into the organization because it's that latest buzzword. They read an article somewhere that it saved another company money. They've heard somebody else preach about it. They read maybe a book and they said, this sounds like what we want in our organization. How do you, as a continuous improvement professional, go into that situation and meet their needs? That can be really challenging when they don't completely understand what a continuous improvement engagement in department really means, the cultural transformation that they're actually asking you to make within the organization. Let's look at 3 things that you can do to satisfy that management need. So first, you can increase knowledge about Six Sigma across the organization, right? Make sure that you're sharing with everybody that will listen all about continuous improvement, all about Lean Six Sigma, and especially that management team. Make sure that you're helping expose them to exactly what Lean Six Sigma is. 2, getting interest and energy. What you want to do is create buzz across your organization about the cool stuff that continuous improvement can do. So think of some creative ways that you can engage different parts of your organization and get them excited about continuous improvement. When people see you, what you want to see is them stop in the hall and want to chat with you. Say, I have an idea for something we can improve. That's what you want to see. You want to create that interest and that energy. Shake hands, smile, talk to everybody you can about continuous improvement. And finally, number 3, get some quick wins. This is going to get you not only that top down, but also that bottom up buy-in and excitement. So if you can get that interest and energy going, telling people about what continuous improvement is, and then getting some quick wins. Maybe they're not the $200,000 huge change in revenue that management wants. Maybe it's as simple as cleaning up our desks. Maybe it's as simple as rearranging desks so that they're in a more logical format. Right? It can be that easy. And those quick wins can go a long way. When people start to see that they can change things, they continue and they continue and they continue. And this is the momentum that you want to create. So maybe management brought you in because they heard a buzzword, but now it's up to the continuous improvement professionals at your organization to make that work. And that means doing those 3 things, increasing that knowledge of Lean Six Sigma across the organization, especially with management, getting that interest and energy with your team from the bottom up, and then making sure that you get some of those quick wins so people can see that it works.